The Institute for Data Research and Innovation Science in Newark is a new venture between the Rutgers-Newark Chancellor's Office and the Office of the Executive Vice President for Academic Affairs at Rutgers University. It's part of a Rutgers-wide initiative that we have launched to build our research and educational capacity for the 21st century. We call the initiative Roadmaps to Collective Academic Excellence, and it touches all of our Rutgers campuses. IDRIS is a first fruit of this new Rutgers initiative. It's a brand new institute formed by the Dean of the School of Arts and Sciences in Newark, in collaboration with the other schools and the other deans in Newark, and supported by funding that's shared across all of our offices. The goal is to build something truly innovative, a brand new center of intellectual activity that can cross many disciplines and academic schools and departments and link together Rutgers-Newark's many strengths in data science and emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence to study complex problems that are unique to cities, to highly urbanized areas. These are problems that have much larger implications for our entire world today. And you could think of IDRIS as a kind of academic startup. It gathers together advanced research, teaching, new courses, curriculum. It extends to students and faculty at Rutgers-Newark, but it will also be engaging constantly with the Newark community, in keeping with the Rutgers-Newark tradition as an anchor institution. IDRIS will be a platform and an accelerator for many new partnerships with other campuses in the United States and abroad, with other universities, with major industries and companies, with public institutions in the city of Newark, with the people of Newark. It will be a learning community for students, but it will also be a resource for residents of Newark who are seeking skills, understanding of data-related topics. IDRIS is going to contribute a great deal to our collective understanding of many data-related problems: health equity, climate and sustainability, government and policy, criminal justice reform, and economic mobility, among many, many other issues. Its goal is to foster meaningful transformations in these areas through this interdisciplinary study and engagement. I'm excited about IDRIS for many reasons. It will have a major impact on how we think about data, how we understand its uses and its implications. It will help us educate students and train everyone to be intelligent, aware consumers and makers of data. IDRIS is going to approach these problems in a fundamentally intersectional and interdisciplinary way. That's why IDRIS sits at the level of the Chancellor's Office at Rutgers-Newark. In that way, it's positioned to integrate and organize into a hub all of Newark's data work across all its schools and departments. The Institute can create collaboration and synergy across all these areas. It can draw together complementary expertise from faculty and students and from the community too. IDRIS is also going to reach across all our campuses at Rutgers, working with faculty and students from Newark down to New Brunswick and to Camden. It's already collaborating with our health campus, specifically with another Roadmaps-inspired project, a new Center for Biomedical Informatics and Health AI at Rutgers Health. I'm really delighted that IDRIS will be directed by a brand new member of the Rutgers-Newark community, Dr. Faye Cobb-Payton. Dr. Payton exemplifies the kind of approach that IDRIS will take to data science. Dr. Payton brings tremendous experience from the federal level, where she worked at the National Science Foundation to promote just these types of innovative interdisciplinary programs. She has an exceptional record of building university-industry partnerships. She knows how to do this well. She has the relationships, she has the understanding, and she has the vision. Dr. Payton personifies IDRIS, and we're really lucky to have her joining us at Rutgers. I think IDRIS really exemplifies Rutgers-Newark too, which has become a national model for what an engaged urban university can be. Deeply embedded in its city, committed to equity and access, partnering with community organizations, breaking open the most significant leading research and academic areas. And I think IDRIS is a perfect example of Rutgers. Students and researchers and industry partners can all look at IDRIS and at all of our roadmaps ventures, and they can see for themselves that Rutgers is different. When you come here, when you work with us, you get the full benefit of a research university in the context of many different kinds of educational setting. Everyone learns in so many different ways at Rutgers. We can all learn from one another. We're building collaborations that can create opportunities for our students, for our faculty, and for our communities. These opportunities simply weren't thinkable before now. IDRIS is around the corner and it's down the street. It's Rutgers, but it's also bringing the entire world to you. In fact, IDRIS is bringing the future to all of us. And I hope that you'll all be able to come and join us.